Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to use function keys on HP OMEN Transcend 14. And the function keys are here at the very top layer. And what's important before I start explaining them, there's also the FN key on the keyboard, which is here, and it can have this light lit up or not. So I'm gonna refer to this key as either lit up or not, so that will help me explain a few things. So by default, that FN key isn't lit up, and it means that FN lock is off. And if the FN lock is off, then the default action of function keys is either F1, F2, F3, F4, and so on. Because you can notice that on these keys, there are like two things being shown. Like for example, on the F2 key, you get F2 and the small sun, which is turning the brightness down. And the default action, if the default action are F1, F2, F3, and so on, then they are assigned in different apps. They are sort of legacy, so I don't think they are used as much anymore. But some apps will have some functions assigned. It's not really for me to explain which apps have which actions assigned. But for example, in the browser and most of the apps, F1 key will open help. You can see it opens help. Then F11 will open full screen mode or close it. Then F12 will open DevTools in browsers. And it really just depends on the app, so you can read the app documentation if you want to work with these function keys. But also, you can see that below these F numbers, there are the symbols. And in order to use them, if your FN key isn't lit up, that means that these actions on the bottom are secondary. So in order to use them, you need to click on FN key combined with either of those keys. And for the first one, I don't really know, like for what the first one does. So let's try that. It opens the project settings. So the same thing that Windows and P does on your keyboard. Then this turns the brightness down, turns the brightness up. This changes the brightness of the keyboard backlight. This mutes the speaker, turns the volume down, turns the volume up, pauses playing some content. This takes a screenshot. This one locks the Windows key, so if you're within a game, you don't accidentally press on the Windows key, which may pause your game. And then this one toggles the touchpad off, and if your touchpad is toggled off, then this key will be lighting up red. And the F12 is like the Omen key, which I'm not really sure what it does. But I think you can assign an action to it, a special action that you, whatever you want, using the HP app. I don't know if I have it installed by default, but it may be somewhere here, just like the HP. Let's see if I type in HP or Omen. No, I don't have it. So you can just get the Omen app from the HP website, and then you can assign an action to it. But if you want to switch it up and change which action is primary or secondary, you can make the FN key light up. And in order to do it, click on FN and Shift combined. Now my FN key is lit up, which means FN lock is on. So if I press on the F1 key alone, it opens the projection. But if I go to any app and click on FN and F1, now it opens help. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.